What's up, everyone? Last break of the night, we're going to do a 2021 Mosaic NFL Draft Picks Hobby Box mixed with 2 Prism Draft Picks Blaster and 1 Contenders Blaster. E. Williams did the random. Here are the team spots. We have David Hurchin Colts, Zach Chargers, David Broncos, Jason Washington, Zach Patriots, Casey Steelers. David Hurchin has the Bears and the Eagles. Trung Browns, Jason Giants, Brock Dolphins. Jeff has the Packers, Kevin Cowboys, Ryan Panthers, Ja Raiders. Jason Chiefs, David Bucks, Trung Cardinals, Ernie Jets and Jaguars, Jason Niners, Adam Bengals. Amos has the Falcons, Joe Rams, Zeb Lions, Bill Gamble, Saints and Vikings, Ryan Ravens, David's Hawks, Amos Titans, Casey Bills, and David Hurchin has the Houston Texans. All right, guys, let's start with one of the Prism drafts first, Blasters. Hope everybody had a good 4th. All right, here we go, first pack. We have Carson Wentz, Fitzgerald, Lamar Jackson, Purple Wave Ravens. Nice hit, Baltimore. Trevor Lawrence, Jacksonville. Nice hit, Jayville. There you go, Ernie Miller. And Bateman, Minnesota. We have Jimmy G, 49ers, Cooks, Bateman, Green Prism out of Minnesota, Sage Surratt, Wake Forest, and Holland out of Oregon. Dak Prescott, the boys, Jerry Jeudy, Broncos, Patrick Mahomes, Green Prism, Kansas City Chiefs. Nice hit, KC. Newman, Wake Forest, and Trey Sermon out of OSU. Baker Mayfield, Browns, Kenyon Drake out of Alabama, Antonio Gibson, Silver Prism, Memphis, Rizzo out of Miami, and Sean Wade, All-American insert. We have Alvin Kamara, Saints, David Johnson, Patrick Jones, Green Prism, Pitt, Carlos Basham, Bills, and Jason Away, Penn State. Chase Claypool, Steelers. Jared Goff, Lions. Chris Godwin, Green Prism, Tampa Bay Bucks. Greg Rizzo out of Miami, and Rondale Moore, Cardinals. All right, guys, let's mix it up. Let's do the Contenders Blaster next. 42 count. We should have 1 rookie auto on average per box. We have Adrian Peterson, Bridgewater, Mathau, Kansas City. Front row seats, Basham to the Bills, Singletary, and Jalen Hurts, Eagles. Stephon Diggs, Bills, Garrett Browns, Harris. We have Devin White, LSU, Tyler Lockett, Hawks, and Jarvis Landry, Cleveland. Chase Claypool, Steelers, Matt Ryan, Falcons, Joe Mixon, Bengals. We have Kylan Hill, draft class, Green Bay Packers, Antonio Gibson to Washington, and Kirk Cousins, Vikings. Daniel Jones, Giants, Jalen Smith, the boys. We have Nick Eubanks, very nice. Rookie auto out of Michigan. This is the red foil variation. Kenyon Drake out of Alabama. DK Metcalf, Hawks, and Alvin Kamara, Saints. Gronk to the Bucks, Gurley Falcons, Tannehill, A&M. We have Nico Collins draft class out of Michigan, Matt Stafford, and Damian Harris. Gotcha, E. Xavier Howard, Justin Jefferson, Minnesota. Tua, red foil, Miami Dolphins. Tua, base card, Miami, back-to-back. Chase Young, Washington, and Cooper Kupp, Rams. Darius Leonard, Colts. Devontae Parker, Louisville. Russell Wilson, Hawks. Michael Carter, front row seats, Carolina. Brandon Cooks, and Hilaire, Kansas City Chiefs. To the Cowboys, E. All right, cool. So that auto, guys, the red foil Eubanks auto goes to the Dallas Cowboys. All right, guys, Prism Blaster number 2. We have Aaron Rodgers, Green Bay. Jalen Reagor, Eagles. Ayuk, Purple Wave, 49ers. Bateman, Minnesota. And Fearmouth, All-American insert. Sam Darnold, Carolina. Robinson, Jayville. Marshall, Green Prism, Crusade. This goes to the Carolina Panthers. Samuel, FSU, and Tylan Wallace, Oklahoma State. Waller, Raiders. Watson, Texans. Kyler Murray, Green Prism, Arizona. Jamar Chase, Crusade rookie, to the Bengals. And Basham, Buffalo Bills. T. Higgins, Bengals. Ronald Jones to the Bucks. Kirk Cousins, Silver Prism, Vikings. Jamie Newman, Wake Forest. And Joseph Asai, Texas. Allen Robinson, Chris Carson, Hawks. Micah Parsons, very nice. Green Prism rookie, Dallas Cowboys. Nice hit, Dallas. Parsons, Crusade, base card, Cowboys. And Tyler Vaughns out of USC. Justin Jefferson, Minnesota. Derek Carr, Raiders. Jacob Eason, Green Prism, Colts. Kwity Paye, rookie card, Colts. And Justin Fields, very nice. All-American rookie, Chicago Bears. There you go, David Hurchin. Nice hit, sir. All right, guys, Mosaic hobby. We should have 15 cards per pack, 2 packs per box, 6 Mosaic parallels on average, and 2 autographs. Wish everybody luck. Hopefully we pull a banger out of here tonight. All right, guys, here we go. First pack. We have Metcalf, Hawks. Sean Wade, OSU. Shi Smith, Carolina. Drew Brees, Saints. Dak Prescott, the boys. Keenan Allen, Chargers. Bateman, Minnesota. Mac Jones, rookie, Patriots. There you go, New England. Congrats. Zach. Tutu Atwell, Louisville. Russell Wilson, Hawks. Chris Evans, rookie auto out of Michigan. Very nice. Gorgeous card, man. These mosaics are just beautiful. Nice hit, Cincinnati. Congrats, Bengals. There you go, Adam Salgado. Red Prism of Gainwell. Out of Memphis. /99. Jonathan Taylor. Pink Prism. Colts. Number 225. 1 of 25. Very nice hit, Indianapolis. Congrats, David Hurchin. Monster hit, sir. Gorgeous card. Rivers to the Colts. /75. And Lamar Jackson, Silver Prism. Ravens. All right, pack number 2. Chuba Hubbard, Oklahoma State. Kamara Saints. Jamar Chase, rookie, Cincinnati. Nice hit, Bengals. Jonathan Taylor, Colts. Farley. This goes to the Tennessee Titans. Jamie Newman out of Wake Forest. Rodgers, Green Bay. Roundtree, Iowa. Marset out of Iowa. Felton, UCLA. Tutu Atwell, rookie card, Louisville. Very nice looking card. Atwell goes to the Rams. Micah Parsons, Red Prism, /99. Dallas Cowboys, 22 of 99. Nice hit, Dallas. We have Travis Kelce. /49. Very nice. Kansas City Chiefs. We have Justin Herbert. Silver Mosaic. Chargers. There you go, Zach. Nice hit, sir. And Fear Move, Silver Prism out of Penn State. All right, guys, give us 1 second. We will do a recap. Also, to let everybody know, this will be the last break until Wednesday. We're going to take a couple days. E put a message on our page. Going to take a couple days, spend some time with family, get caught up on shipping, but we will be ready to go Wednesday. We have a ton of product coming and already in stock. We're going to be doing NBA breaks and NFL breaks on Wednesday. All right, guys, here we go. Let's do a recap. We have Pat Mahomes, Green Chiefs, Tua, 2 times, including the red foil to the Dolphins. Trevor Lawrence, Jayville, Mac Jones, Patriots. Jamar Chase, Bengals. Jamar Chase, base, Bengals. Justin Fields, Bears. Ayuk, Niners. Quiddy Pay, Colts. Parsons, the boys. Parsons, Green, Cowboys. Terrence Marshall, Carolina. Lamar Jackson, Ravens. Silver, Lamar Jackson, Ravens. Kelsey, Chiefs. Parsons, the boys. Rivers, Colts. Jonathan Taylor, Colts. Gainwell, Tutu Atwell to the Rams. Chris Evans, Eubanks, and Justin Herbert, Silver Mosaic. All right, guys, hope everybody has a great 4th. Have a great rest of your couple days, and we will see you back Wednesday. Hope everybody has a good one. Thanks, guys.